Hi, my name is Von DePage, and I'm the Radical Results Mentor for decision makers with real challenges ready to meet the moment. I am super excited that you are here on my YouTube channel where you are going to learn all about the Leaders Learn Change Blueprint. And what that means is you are going to have access to the best, the latest, the greatest, the most updatedest, if I was going to do a rhyme, latest, greatest, and most updatedest. That would be more for rapping, right? And not necessarily for what I'm about to say right now. But you are going to have the latest tools and techniques, steps, as well as skill-based information to help you go from leader to legend. And what does that mean? That means giving you, right, the tools and techniques as well as the time you need to learn, right, how to level up your current leadership skills, your current leadership arsenal, your current leadership library, right, to the next level. Because I am telling you, I believe right now with everything in me that we need a different breed of leadership, that we really need to level up those skills, and we need to meet the moment. There are some serious things happening right now, and we have got to do something. We cannot let it stand. Literally, I have asked the question, and I asked this question during my masterclass: are we ready to see lines and lines of 10, 11, and 12-year-old girls pregnant? Are we ready for that, people? Are we ready to see that no employee stays with any company more than like 6 to 9 months? Are y'all ready to do that? Like, as large companies, right? If you are an accessibility advocate, if you are somebody that is out here in these DEI streets and you are not making progress, do you understand why? Are you cognizant and aware of everything that you have going on inside of you that is probably likely having an impact on your ability to lead in a way that is allowing you to secure the success that you deserve? And so I say all that to say that I believe it's time to uplevel your leadership skills. I believe it's time to unlearn, right, some previously harmful behaviors. I think it's time to unlearn old strategy. And I think it is time to actually, recommit and actually dig in a different way to really learn, right? And really determine and understand how is it that we need to go about leadership to really get shit done, because there's some serious problems in our world right now. I mean, climate change, come on. And how about the fact that 52% of people who are capable of giving birth lost their rights literally 4 weeks ago, because today I'm doing this on July 21st. So I say all that to say, people, that hey, we got some stuff to do, and if you are ready to meet the moment, this is the place you need to be. You need to be on this YouTube channel. You need to follow me on LinkedIn, and you need to go to vondepage.com. You also need to go to leader2legendexclusive.com, and you need to go to rollingresultsmentorship.com. Those are the three places that you need to go to find out for you what is the right way. How do you get involved? What do you do? How do you up-level yourself so that you can meet the moment? And so with that, I just want to say thanks for stopping by, and I want to tell you that leaders learn change. So let's learn together, y'all, because there is a lot we need to do to go from leadership to legendary. So let's go.